Welcome to the second section of framing questions at cognitive level of Bloom's taxonomy. In the previous video, we have analyzed framing questions from the first four levels of Bloom's taxonomy. Here, in this section, we shall try to analyze on framing questions from next two levels in hierarchy, namely evaluating and creating. As we know, a well formulated and organized evaluation system will enhance the quality of the educational system as a whole. Normally, the end result of the educational process is evaluated from the system of examination. So obviously, the entire curricular activities will have a direct bearing on the quality of the assessing tool. If the assessing tool are so designed for the assessment of higher order cognitive processes, then definitely the teaching learning process will also focus on accomplishment of the higher order learning. So this enhances the quality of the entire educational process. We have already discussed about the various levels of Bloom's in detail in our previous videos. It is evident that the highest level of learning, according to Bloom's classification, is evaluating and creating. Evaluating refers to judging the quality or a critical appraisal of the event, process, phenomena or object. These hierarchy are so organized in such a way that lower level of learning is a prerequisite for the next higher level in Bloom's classification. Hence here, for evaluating a process or an event truthfully, we should critically analyze the situation first. Thus, analyzing is a prerequisite for evaluating. Similarly, if one need to reach the highest level of learning, that is creating, we should have the ability to evaluate the situation completely. Then only one will be able to develop something new. Hence, in a higher education system, the focus of teacher should be to steer the activities of the students so that each student attain the ability to create something new. Now, let us examine in details how to frame a question from evaluating level. Accordingly, here the demonstrated skills related to this level are: the learner compares and discriminate between ideas, assess values of theories and presentations, make choice based on recent arguments, verify values of evidence, use of definite criteria for judgment. The action verbs helpful for framing questions in this level will be assess, decide, choose, rank, grade, test, defend, select, judge, justify, compare, evaluate, criticize, summarize, validate, conclude, support, etc. Now let us examine the sample questions that could be used in this level from the four areas that we have selected for framing questions. From Bloom's taxonomy, if you include a question, do you think you could prepare question for each level of Bloom's taxonomy in your subject, justify? For answering this question, the students should have to analyze and compare the subject area in detail in lines with Bloom's taxonomy to provide an authentic justification to the statement. Similarly, from the topic multiculturalism, for answering the question, critically evaluate multiculturalism. Here, the students are provided with an opportunity to compare and value the practices with the specific evidence related to multiculturalism. Similarly, evaluate the state of welfare in a union territory. Here also, for a good answer, the learner should have a understanding about the various concepts and practices so as to enable him to judge the value of each practices and privileges related to the governance and the state of welfare of the people belonging to Union Territories of India. From data science, the question prioritize the various processes involved in ETL. The learner should use a specific criteria for evaluating and judgment of various processes to provide a good answer. Creating is the highest level in cognitive domain of Bloom's taxonomy. Normally, create level questions are open-end questions which provide freedom to the students to respond. The demonstrated skill related to this level are use old ideas to create new ones, combine parts to make a new whole, generalize from given facts, relate knowledge from several areas, predict, draw conclusions, etc. Actually, this level is a sort of synthesis level as included in the first version of Bloom's taxonomy, where we join the facts to develop a new idea or concepts. The action verb suitable for framing questions will be design, formulate, build, invent, create, compose, generate, derive, modify, develop, integrate, and what if. The questions appropriate for this level related to the topic that we have selected are: the first one is to create a new model for classification of learning objectives. This is something that we could be executed as a project. For this, the learner should evaluate and identify the shortcomings of the previous model and develop new one to cover the weaknesses of the old model. Likewise, develop a presentation to inspire multiculturalism. Prepare a draft of government policy of Union Territory if our country were a non-democratic state. And the last one, design a new model for data cleaning and integration. In all these questions, the student should input new creative thoughts to provide the answer and solution. It is not possible to restrict the answers of a create level to a scoring key. The evaluation should be made in accordance with the level of creativity and meaningfulness. One of the pivotal issues in the examination system is that more priority is given to the lower cognitive skills. So, conscious effort has to be made to include more questions from higher cognitive skills. For this, it is better to have a policy to restrict the number of questions belonging to the lower order skills to some level. Say, let it be 40%. Also, it is a good practice to fix a range of the set of questions from different cognitive levels, as the possibility of the number of questions will vary from course to course. Hence, A well-structured blueprint in the lines of the policy decisions will enhance the quality of the paper. If it is possible to automate the question selection using a random selection criteria, then the quality of question paper will be the best. So try to integrate the Bloom's taxonomy framework to both teaching learning process and evaluation design to better the quality of education.